In this video, I'll show you how to upload files in Trello. So I'll show you how you can upload smaller files such as documents, but also how you can upload large, for example, video files of over 10 MB. To do this, first just open up Trello and go to the card that you want to upload the file to. For example, I'll just select this one. Now the first way to do it is to just click attachment right here and then click choose a file. Now from here you can then upload a file, but most video files will exceed the limit. However, if you just upload a simple document, for example, then it will be uploaded, as you can see. Now if you want to upload a larger file, then what I would recommend doing is going to a website called WeTransfer. And then on WeTransfer, you can simply go in and upload the file for free. So you can click add files, and then if I upload one of these video files and click get a link, I have already reached the free limit. But if it's your first time, then you can do it for free. Although if you have also already exceeded the limit, then there's another website you can try that I'm currently using, which is Transfer Now. And then you can just click start, and here also upload your file. Then click create a link and click get a link. And now just wait for the upload to finish. And now you can add that link to the Trello card. And then the person that needs the file, or the people that need the file, can then just go and click on the link and download it, which makes it very simple to transfer also larger files. Now just click copy link, then go to Trello and in the description paste in the link, click save, and now people can click on the link, and then right here they can click consent and then download that file. So now you know how to upload both small and large files on Trello. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.